I guess we got some root.
Just a little bit.
Looks like a keeper.
Jeez. A whole tail for you.
Yep.
You could be like the
inches.
all the Gen Z kids, and
Yep.
we could throw that right in your shorts and
Absolutely.
pretend you're a cat.
Yep. Like, hey, look at me.
Yeah.
That's some thickness on that. Wind it. Probably a good 28 inches worth.
A little doo-doo root tail.
Spool it. There we go.
Hold it up like the big catch it is.
There it is. Catch of the day so far.
Throw that baby on the grill.
Would it be like filet sole or something?
It probably wouldn't smell too good.
I'm surprised it doesn't smell that bad at all.
No, it doesn't.
Throw it with the other carcasses.